back to my channel. Today we are going to do a battle of the high end and the affordable side. Now tell me which is the high end side and which is the affordable side. Like they both look equally good. If I was somebody who did not know which is what, I would never be able to identify which is which one. Like there is not a single difference between the high end and the affordable side. So without wasting a single second, let's jump right into the video. First things first, this is going to be my high end side and this is going to be my affordable side. Let's start with the skin prep, and for skin prep we are using a good thick moisturizer because we are a dry skin type. So for the high end side I do have the Bioderma Autoderm moisturizer, and for the affordable side I do have the Dot & Keys Barrier Repair moisturizer. It's so hydrating. I do like to apply a thick लेयर मॉइस्चराइजर. जैसे थिक थाइस का ज़माना है वैसे थिक मॉइस्चराइजर का भी सीजन आ चुका है. Now we'll go with the Dot & Key one. The Dot & Key wala is much more smoother and it's more creamier. For the lip balm I have two very good options. One is the Laneige ka lip sleeping mask, and for the affordable side I do have our good old Vaseline. Both are cult classics. Now in the winter season मुझे एक nice glowy base चाहिए, so I'm going to be using a nice illuminator, and for the high end side I'm going to be using the MAC Strobe Cream, and for the affordable side I am going to be using the Lakme ka Lumi Cream. Both of them do such a great job and this is like a fraction of its cost, and ये भी आपको वो chunky glitter feeling नहीं देगा. The glitter in it is so finely milled, you know, आपको वो ग्लिटर का ऐसे डॉट डॉट्स दिखता है वो नहीं दिखेगा with both of these. So let's compare them side by side. The MAC Strobe Cream now. I am following an imaginary line if you could see now. This is not that glowy and this is like super glowy and dewy. Now we move to the Lakme Lumi Cream. You see they are equally glowy and dewy. Now I do have a good high-end illuminator and also an affordable illuminator. You cannot even identify which is which. Now for the concealer, I have two great options. For the high-end side, we do have the Born This Way concealer, and for the affordable side, we do have the Swiss Beauty concealer. Born This Way concealer. I like my brush for blending the concealer. The Swiss Beauty one. I don't know why, but I like the Swiss Beauty one much more better than the Too Faced one. This is much better than this. Now that my concealer has covered most of the thing and I do want a very subtle base, so I'm not gonna go ahead with loads of foundation now, but we are gonna use a skin tint. We have two options, and for the high end one I do have the Smashbox Halo Tinted Moisturizer, and for the affordable one I do have the tinted moisturizer from Wet n Wild. I'm not gonna apply a lot, just a little. I think the coverage on this side is much more than this. Till now I do like this one much more better than the high end side. Now we are going to move to the favorite product, and that has to be a good pink blush, and for that I'm going to be using my favorite Rare Beauty for the high end side and Makeup Revolution for the affordable side. They both are equally good and they both are super pigmented, super long lasting as well. At least on me, I've heard a lot of people do not like the Rare Beauty blush. For the eyebrows, we are going to be using an eyebrow mascara, just one and an eyebrow product, and high end side I'm going to be using the Benefits Gimme Brow, and for the affordable side I'm going to be using the Elf's Wow Brow. These two are set to be dupes and definitely they are, and you know, it gives a nice fuller look of the Elf. As you can see, both of them have given me a nice pigment onto my eyebrows and also made them look fuller. Now for the mascara, we do have one cult classic from the high-end side, and for the affordable side, you are going to be shocked. For the high-end side, I do have the cult classic Benefit Better Than Sex mascara, and for the affordable side, it is a shocker, but I don't know, I feel they are pretty dang close, and it has to be the Zudio mascara. Even the wands are similar. Let me show you. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, the affordable mascara, and that is from Zudio. this is the last thing that we are going to be comparing. And for the last thing, we do have a lipstick, and I have showed them a multiple times. So for the high end side, I do have the Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk, and for the affordable side, I do have the Revlon's Pick Me Up. I think this is it. This is the high end side and this is the affordable side, and I do not see a single difference in both of them. Like, this video is just to show that you do not need to splurge a lot just to achieve a good base. You can work with whatever you have, and you do not need to invest and spend a lot in the high end side. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Also share it with your friends, girlfriends, boyfriends, whoever you like. And also subscribe to my channel. And that's it for this video. And bye-bye.